Do you want your shoes to look like this? Or do you want your shoes to look like this? I know that when I have dirty shoes, it honestly just makes my outfits look so much less put together, just worse in general. I love having super clean soles, clean laces, and just a pair of shoes that look completely new, like stains, yellowness, just dirt in general. I will show you exactly how to clean those shoes and get them looking as perfect as new. So if you guys want to see how I clean my shoes, then keep on watching. So the first shoe type that we're going to be cleaning is a leather shoe, and I have this perfect Reebok one here. So what you're going to need is some water and fill that up with some cast-iron soap that's pure, or you can use a really mild laundry detergent and just make it really soapy. You're also going to need a bowl of water, preferably warm, and put some pure cast-iron soap in there and just mix it up so it gets really soapy as well. And what we're going to do first is take out all the laces because we're going to be cleaning those and letting them soak while we're cleaning the shoes. And then I'm going to take this kind of scrubby brush thing and I'm just going to brush all over the shoe, especially the sole and the tongue and the base, just to make sure it's super clean. After that, I'm going to take a damp microfiber cloth and wipe off all the excess water and soap that's on the shoe, and it'll look really nice and white and clean. My brother was super nice to lend me some shoes to clean for him, so I cleaned some of his canvas shoes. This one you can use the same technique just with the soapy water and the brush. Make sure that you get along the tongue though, because it's like a really hard part to get and usually it's a really dirty part. But these shoes looked so much better afterwards, especially when putting them in the sun to dry. The next type of shoe is suede, which is usually kind of like boots, and for this one I have a boot that's been scuffed on the heel, and I'm taking a microfiber cloth and it's damp. I'm just rubbing it all around. This tends to be the best way to clean suede shoes, and it's super simple. It came off really easily too. This is a treatment for especially dirty soles, and this shoe has a white sole, so it's going to be a lot easier to do with the magic eraser, but basically just scrub the shoe like you did with the other canvas with the soapy water and the scrubber. Then you're gonna need just a little bit of water and also a magic eraser, and just keep scrubbing until it gets super white like this. Then we have stains, and this shoe actually did have a stain on the toe, like kind of near the toe area, and basically I'm just going to scrub it like the regular canvas first. Then I'm going to mix equal parts of water, hydrogen peroxide, because this is a white shoe, but you can only use hydrogen peroxide for white shoes, and if it's not, you can use vinegar, and baking soda. And I'm gonna mix that together until it becomes kind of like a paste. And for me, I had to add around half a tablespoon more of baking soda just to make it more pasty and less liquidy. Then I'm going to use a toothbrush and basically put a ton of that on, like concentrated on where the stain is. And I kind of just went all along the toe, and then I realized that this is kind of like bleaching. So since it's a white shoe, I wanted to make it really white. So I just literally went around the whole shoe, including the tongue and everything. After that, I left it outside to dry along with the other canvas shoe because I did it on my brother's too. You're welcome. But I did leave these out to dry, and if you're doing it on colored shoes, don't put them in the sun. Just leave them to dry by themselves, but if they are white, the sun will help them become even whiter. lastly, we have the laces. This is super easy because they've been soaking all this time that you've been cleaning your shoes. And what I'm going to do is take them out of the soapy water and actually add more Castile soap, and this is going to get them super, super white and the cleanest possible. And I'm just going to kind of like clean them with my hands. Then I'm drying them off with a microfiber cloth. And if you want to see how I'm wearing these super clean shoes on my Instagram, it's Sadie Aldis. You know, you could go there or do whatever you want. I'm just gonna leave that right there. Okay, on to the outro. Thank you guys so much for watching that video, and I hope this was super satisfying for you guys to see the before and afters of the shoes. I was having such a good time like comparing how dirty they were to how freaking clean they were at the end. Send me before and afters of your shoes because I think that is so satisfying, and I'm sure other people would want to see it. Click the I if you thought this was satisfying. I'm not sure if I'm the only one, but tell me if you guys thought it was. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.